Guys, how you guys doing today? Today we're going to be exploring this building that we found in the back of my property at the shop, and me and Tommy are going to be exploring it. So if we find anything cool, we'll get it on camera, and if we don't find anything cool, then we'll still get it on camera. So we're going to be exploring that. He's checking his trap real quick that he's set for like squirrels and stuff. Nothing? Not even triggered? Nothing triggered it? Huh.
It's like pretty much invisible because it's a little bit of wire. Like, it's pretty much invisible. I can barely see it in there. That's why I couldn't come home and get it.
You should probably I've seen a bunch of squirrels on that rock. You know the giant rock?
Yeah, I could hit the rock somehow.
Yeah, you should put one over there on a rock.
Alright guys, I'm starting my video. I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, he's gonna start his video quick.
Hey guys, watching my video, and today I'm with Lucas Vlog. And today we're gonna be
Where? Tommy Chittum.
searching the old houses back there. Old
Yeah.
barn. We did this once, guys, but we just didn't do it.
Yeah. We already seen what's in it, but we're gonna see if we can find anything else, because we found some pretty cool stuff. We found some pretty cool stuff, and that's a spider web. That's great. Now this isn't really on my property, but the guy said it's okay if we go on it. We're gonna just look. God, man, there's a bunch of spider webs.
There's a bucket back here.
Where?
I haven't been back here in a while, guys.
Me either. But I know the way. It's the snakes. Oop. Oh, I thought that was snake again.
Guys, I'm going to be getting a dirt bike sometime.
You guys already seen my four-wheeler.
But I will be doing videos on that. So stay tuned.
Gotta get through here.
As soon as I get a GoPro, I'll start doing videos of that.
Okay. Alright. You follow me? Doing a little parkour?
Yeah, I'm going to do backflip off this.
Yeah, no you won't. You won't!
Guys, from a scale to 100, how big is this freaking rock?
Probably 30.
No, 1 million.
Alright, let's go.
Look at the moon.
We gotta do a little parkour session. Oh, that's a spider web. I landed right into a spider web. These spider webs are crazy out here.
Really slide down this thing. We're going to have to put a slip and slide on this. Slide down it, guys.
No, you had to do parkour on that rock. You failed. Look at this giant hole. I know you guys can't see it on camera, but it's like 5 feet deep.
Somebody in it. Oh my god, you can't see it on camera. It blends
No.
in.
No, you can't.
Here.
There we go. That's smart.
Can you guys see where it changes?
Yeah, they can
I'm
probably.
gonna go home.
Alright, well, so we're going to be exploring this abandoned, like, house. It was a house. We looked it up. Who's that?
I'm the lightest one. I'm pretty much the only one that can go upstairs.
No, I can go upstairs too.
Yeah, but we have to be careful when it goes up there.
Yeah, I'm like 120 something pounds, so.
Like, we were trying to get a dog chain that was up there so he could tie like it to around my waist and hold on to it so I wouldn't fall.
Yeah.
Because we were trying to look for antique.
Oh my gosh. That's a big old stick.
Guys, I know I don't really show you my face much.
Well, you can see it on my video, so go check out my video, Lucas Vlogs. Oh my gosh.
And stay tuned for PUBG.
Yeah, I don't play on PUBG. I can't, I play PUBG, but I don't video it because I don't have this app that he has. Oh my gosh. Go in front of me. Wait.
No, it's that way. Remember the
Yes.
tires?
Yep. I'm gonna be parkouring over these. Oh my god. That's a big old root. Got it. Watch out for snakes. For real. Parkouring on rocks. Not rocks. Tires is not safe. Don't try this at home, kids. Whoa! Bro,
Cool.
look at this.
Dang, that's pretty cool, guys.
That's a spider web.
Here, let me see if my flash helps. Oh, never mind. I can't put on my flash.
Ooh.
Can you guys see it? The spider web?
They can't see it on camera. But it's like thick. This is really hard, guys.
I like Black Widow. Because the Black Widows, they like to do that.
Do you see it?
No, it's
I think they're
more back
lost.
there. No, it's over here.
Ah!
You have to go through the tire. Not through a little bit of the tires.
Oh yeah, I remember this tire. I remember these white tires.
Whoop, stop.
What? Whoa. Whoa.
Please help me. Because I almost ran into that and I almost fell back. So.
I got you.
Whoa,
I'm not holding on to anything.
touched it. Touched this web.
Ooh. Cut it.
Yeah,
Cut
just cut it off the tree, that's all.
Alright, go, go, go.
Wait. Can you guys see that big thing? Yeah, get the frick out of
Go,
here.
go, go, go. I think it's alive too.
Alright, guys.
Alive and well.
We're almost there. We just misrouted.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we had GPSs there, that would be great. But it's not on the map.
No. It's been there for at least 50 years. Probably more than that. Go, go, go. I'm gonna fall.
Ancient, guys.
Oh, dude. You just stepped on a spider web.
I already seen that.
Alright, go, go, go.
Yeah.
Parkouring it.
Yeah, I know where we're at. I know where we're at.
My shoes do not have, my J's do not have traction. That's weird. Probably because I'm on really slippery rocks, but
Drawing on.
excuse me.
There's pavement. You can go on pavement in the middle. Okay. Okay, now we're very close. And
I think I see
it.
what?
That, oh, I see two trains going down. We have to be close, but I don't see them.
Oh my
I
gosh,
see it.
Tommy.
I see it.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah, I seen that. I was like, what? I've never seen one
Where?
make 8,000 spider webs in one. So it's right here.
There's that spider again.
I don't know if you guys can see it yet, but there's another spider web.
Oh my
Big
gosh.
piece of metal over there.
Oh yeah.
You can barely see it. It's the chicken house that they use.
For chicken on easy.
What the crap?
What?
I have to pull that off.
Is there anything on
That's
it?
how sticky it was.
Put my hand out in case there's a spider web.
Hey, did you make a video about XXX Tentacion yet?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
I already have.
Everybody else is making videos of him. I don't want to. Yes,
People
I
that know him are. People that know him.
I know him. Like, I haven't met him in person, but I listen to his songs all the time. But I just don't want to make a video about him because I'm really sad that he passed. Like, I loved his music.
He's
And
really different from music.
yes, he really
I
did.
mean, most of his music from was
Step on
when
it.
he was depressed and stuff. So.
Yeah. We went the wrong way. Or I went the
Yeah,
wrong way.
let's have to go over this wall.
Yippee. Oop, there's some metal right there. That's pretty cool.
Oh, crap.
Old lamppost. What?
We're gonna be.
Yeah. So you say.
I said this way.
I'm going over here. So, cutting spider webs. Oh.
Oh God, there's another one.
Yep, I'm going this way. Going towards you. I'm going with him.
There's a bunch of parts. Old cars.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this log is like,
Got to get out.
yeah. It's so wet. Oh my God, dude, Tommy, look behind you.
I already did it. Oh crap, not another one.
What?
No.
Spider?
Yes. God dang it. see it there. Alright, clear it up.
Oh my god, this is so sketchy.
It really is. Yeah, that hurt. Ow. Yeah, that hurt again. I got you, fam.
I'm glad we're small. Dude, if we weren't small...
God, not another one. Lord, how much did the whoopee?
Go. But the spider webs.
No, I'm not clearing that one this time.
Or,
It's your turn. Right there.
yeah, I know where it is. Trying to figure out a way to get past it.
Dude, just cut it.
Yeah, let's go. Because that's a giant spider. Oh! Walked right into it.
Oh my god. Karma.
No, I dropped the phone.
No cutscene videos.
Shush.
Yeah.
Go.
Did you guys see his new ninja cat? I walked up to his door.
No, I haven't showed a video of him. Of her. Oh!
Oh, you got lucky actually.
No, that hit me in the face.
Yeah, but I pulled it back. You would have hit
Ow.
it even more. Look, guys, I've got spider webs all over my hands. So
I don't.
I've been-
Ooh!
I gotta drink my blood now.
Copyright.
God, freaking everywhere, dude.
That's a spider already.
I just want to get rid of this. I just want to go to this building.
Ja.
Guys, this is it.
Ja. What? Get down! Ooh.
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Oh my god. How are you bleeding?
Are you guys vampires? Because if you are,
I sounded like a horse.
come to my house.
Go. Oh my god, he fell. Just go. Put my hand out just in case.
Guys, we're about to walk in.
What's the best way? Probably this way. Oh, nope, never mind.
There's an old sewing table.
Ow. Damn it. Hey, we made it. This place is dark. I might have to turn my flash on, but this is pretty cool. Oh,
Birds like to come in here, guys.
oh yeah.
So we
Billions.
gotta be careful for
Bird poop.
hungry birds
Oh my god.
because they might lay eggs in here.
Whoa, this wasn't here.
Yeah, it was.
The stop sign?
Oh, dang, no, it wasn't.
Dude, this is cool.
I wonder how it got here.
Probably somebody came in here. Wait, somebody came in here. So they moved something around.
What happened to all the stuff that was in here?
Oh, that's new.
That's gone, first of all. That's
What happened to
there.
the thing?
What thing?
Remember that little air tank thing over there?
I just said it's gone.
What the heck? Bro. Let's take this stop sign. I want it. That's sick.
Yeah, you can make a basketball hoop out of it.
That and I can sell it, dude.
Make a basketball hoop out of it.
Or sell it.
Like,
Well, dude, we can sell that thing for... That could be old, dude. Guys, we think somebody's watching us. I'm pretty sure there is. Probably a booby trap somewhere. Shh. I'm Gucci.
guys, I'm gonna end this video right here.
Nah, guys, we're gonna be... We had to get to 20. We had to get to 20.
I'm not gonna end it, guys.
There's probably somebody with us. No. Let's stay here for a minute.
Who owns this place?
The Chinese guy.
Chinese guy? Who's that?
He's like some freaking old guy. that has like a bunch of bow and arrows, guys, that run around here. You think he put this stuff in here? Yes. He has
Does he know you?
Huh?
Does he know you?
No. And he has freaking like people that run around here with guns and stuff for trespassers. Stop moving, stop moving, stop moving. Let's get the fuck out of here. Sorry for cursing, guys, but no. Come on, let's go. Guys, we have to go because we hear people. Oh crap. Oh crap. Why is there a camera? Over here. Way back there. Look over my shoulder. Let's just go. Let's go. Ah, crap. I really hope there's nobody down here. Be very quiet. Cover your knife. No, fuck that. We have weapons. You have a weapon. That means I'll fucking I don't give a crap. I'll shank their asses. Dude, I should have brought my throwing knives. Dang it. Where are they at? At my house? You have a tick on your back. Nice.
No. Okay, I was behind you. It was like the blood.
I'm at 15 seconds. I'm not kidding. I swear to God. I still have my 15 seconds right now. 15 minutes. There's somebody over there. Oh, let's go. Be very quiet. No, just kidding. Oh, guys, I gotta figure out somebody's in there. Don't go fast. Just calm. Just stay calm. See if somebody is supposed to come on, come on, through the wall. Oh!
See you next time.
Get this out of my hair. Get this out of my hair. Get this out of my hair. Dude, no. Get this out of my hair.
Where? There's nothing in her hair.
I just freaking ran into a giant spider web. When this is at 20 minutes, guys, I'm freaking ending it. Dude, fuck.
I told you to run through the pines.
Should we?
I don't know.
Wait.
Go. I just see movement.